Hello everybody, Steve here. I guess she's waiting for me to start. Um, we're here going to do a taste test on some chocolate we found. We got a white chocolate with coconut flakes.
Coconut's the best.
That's for Valerie. And then we have a white chocolate with strawberry crisps. And these are a product of Germany. I'm looking for a name. I don't really see where they have a brand name.
It's put out by Lidl. It's distributed by Lidl's grocery store.
Lidl grocery store. So, I mean, the chocolate itself doesn't really have. I don't know. Maybe it's a Lidl chocolate. I'm not sure. So we're going to taste test. We'll do the coconut one first because Valerie likes coconut.
This is saying 15 grams of fat. And I apologize for the neighborhood noise, but they don't know we're filming. So, 220 calories per serving. There's 5 servings in a candy bar, and it's 140 fat calories. There's 17 grams of sugar. So, this the first ingredient in here is white chocolate, sugar, cocoa, milk, cream, whey powder, sunflower. Lecithin, and then coconut flakes. So we'll give it a shot here. It's a big candy bar. This is what it looks like, and there's 5 servings. Again, there's 5 servings in here. So I'm going to break off this first piece here. Oh, I smell the coconut right away. Alright, I don't know if you can see that or not. We're kind of a ways back from the camera. Hopefully, I don't know what he's doing over there, but it's not going to be too loud.
Blowing leaves.
White chocolate coconut.
That's okay.
It's very sweet.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's real sweet.
All right.
I don't think I could eat too much of that at one time. It's very, very sweet. It's got a good flavor. It's got a good coconut flavor in it. I do like white chocolate, but if you ate too much of that, you'd probably be sick because it's really, really sweet. Very good, but sweet. All right. That's good if I have like a chocolate craving one night or something. Right. There's that bird. You see that bird?
I see it.
We have a bird in our backyard that's like a blue color. I don't know what it is.
Don't know either.
Can I turn the camera around without scaring it?
You can try.
Hold
we
it.
pause this taste test.
Because there's an unusual looking bird out there. And I saw it earlier. I'm going to try to get you guys and turn you around without scaring this bird. And if anybody knows what this bird is, let me know. It's like it's all blue. It's beautiful. Yep. Does anybody know what kind of bird this is? I was hoping that he would come back. I saw him a little bit ago and couldn't really tell what it was. Come out from behind that grass and be able to see him.
Beautiful cardinal there.
Yeah, let me, I just want to try to figure out what this bluebird is. He's all blue. I don't know how the video will pick it up, but he's entirely blue color. Anybody got any ideas? Let me know. Okay, there's a cardinal down there too. Let me see if I can. There he is. All right. He's beautiful too. Just never seen a bird all blue like that before. Alright, y'all. We've got a lot of action here on our feeder. So if you know what the bluebird is, let me know. because it's the first time I've seen one in our yard. I'm gonna back this up. That was our like channel break.
That was our special broadcast news.
Special nature announcement.
Yeah.
I don't want to scare them away. All right, so we'll get you back to the taste test. Thank you. If you know what the bird is, please let us know, because we don't know what it is. All right, and the second one we had to taste test is
The strawberries, white chocolate with strawberry crisp, and it's packaged the same. And I'm not gonna show you everything. I mean, I can. You can see that red strawberry crisps in it. Break that off.
all right. Same thing.
Here we go.
White chocolate. I'm not a super fan of strawberries.
It's okay. It's not real strong. You taste more of the white chocolate than you do the strawberry.
I love white chocolate. Again, it's sweet. It's really sweet chocolate. Might not be as bad as the coconut. For sweetness, what do you think?
No,
Or is it about the same?
I don't think it's as sweet as.
I don't think it's as sweet as the coconut one. I like them both. I probably wouldn't buy it again because
It was
I would eat too much of it probably. It's a good treat, but not like an everyday kind of treat.
All right, should we show them what they have to look forward to for a future taste test, or should we just make them wait?
We got a couple more chocolate taste tests coming up, but we'll make you wait. We won't show you. We'll let you. We'll let you wait. There's another pretty cardinal right there. Anyway, we are bird watching here, and look, a squirrel. I don't have ADD. Anyway, we'll try to focus on this taste test, but we're focusing on the look, a squirrel.
She's the one getting sidetracked.
I love the animals. So I love watching the squirrels and the birds. So thank you all for watching. If you're not subscribed and you want to, hit the subscribe button below.
And again, the chocolate bars come from Lidl's grocery store. They are a product of Germany, and they are distributed by Lidl USA, LLC.
It's the Fair Trade Cocoa Program. The Fair Trade Cocoa Program. All right. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a great day.